Hello everyone, it's me, NYC Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. You know what, a fascinating day. Well, we had that huge sell-off on Friday. Kind of like a death cross, the yield, the Germany, negative narrative, Russell off 50 handles, S&P off 50 handles. Market really seemed like it was sell side with conviction. And my question, which I posed to you at the end of the day on Friday, was: is there going to be a follow-through on that sell side? Are people going to really look at the yields and the bonds and the way to protect themselves against these positions in equities and see what really happens on Monday? Well, sure enough, we did come in today, and the day was sort of, while range bound, was completely moved hand in hand with the yield. Okay, when the yields came in, market sold off. When the yields rallied back, market rallied back up there. We're hitting up against resistance, surely on 26,000 in the Dow and surely on 2,800 in the S&P. Although we've been teetering around it all day long, we broke above it for 2 days, broke down below it. But we are range bound. The Russell was up 7, the S&P down 3. You know what? Sort of anemic volume, maybe 800 million. So today was an odd day. There was, a lot going on with the Mueller stuff and all that, but net, that has nothing to do with the markets. They don't really care that. Apple had the reports today, was down a little bit on weakness. Going into the streaming business, not that significant there. But what was significant was we opened down a little bit. I thought there would be some sell side follow through. We rallied back hard when the yields rallied. I mean, we reversed from down 100 to up 200. Then we sold back off when the yields came back in. And the market sort of traded, in this odd red negative range for the rest of the day. But it traded with the yield curve. It traded with bonds, and it didn't really react to anything else. So it was range bound, mostly sellish. Dow closed up 15, Russell up 6, S&P down 3. Insignificant as far as that goes. Oil basically found the day. Transport's off a little bit. So not too much to read into it, except the day was bound by yields, and that was it. So, I think we may be marinating in this for a little while until people really figure out what's the next leg up. Do we go higher and create this as a base? Do we go lower and basically sell with conviction because people need protection against, interest rates? We are interest rate centrically focused for the day. And that's all I got to say about that. So for today, it is Monday. It is coming into the end of March. March 25th. It's 4:30 here in New York. Inside Bergstoff, NYC Einstein. That's all I got to say about today. Basically a flat day with a lot of reversals intraday, all about bonds, all about yields. We'll talk about it tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a very telling day. I love you all. Inside Bergstoff, NYC Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I'll see you tomorrow.